welcome to this update video. So, there are two major things I want to talk about, and then there's also some other things I want to talk about. But let's go over the major things first. The first thing I want to show you is customizable controls. Now, this is a new feature in the game. This is a setup that I have bought from the marketplace, and I've tried it out, and it works very, very well. There are a few issues right now still that hopefully can be sorted out soon. For example, you're not able to bind the mouse wheel up and down, which is kind of sad. And also, it is not working currently, so I will probably for the next update... Well, there's two solutions for this. Either this gets fixed, or I will just hard code the mouse wheel up and down for weapons, so you will not see this in this menu anymore, but instead it's just hard coded, so you can't change it, which would be, you know, kind of stupid. But yeah, besides that, there are some issues with mouse button binding, left mouse button, right mouse button. Hopefully this can be sorted out as well, but besides that, this is a pretty cool system, and yeah, you can completely customize now your controls. And the second thing I want to show you... Oh shit, my text is broken! No! Is a new mode, which is Hot Mode. The most innovative game mode in years. Time moves only when you move. Enemies deal a ton of damage. So you're warned! Anyway, so let's see, where am I taking this? Also, by the way, I'm currently recording with Shadowplay instead of Fraps, because Fraps is a piece of shit, frankly. And I just want to test this out. If the recording is a bunch of poop, I will probably go back to using something else. Oh yeah, also I've currently, for testing purposes, I have a submachine pistol, even though I can't use it. And my mouse wheel isn't working because I haven't hard-coded it yet. And the bindable keys are not working anymore. Anyway, so yeah, this new game mode, Hot Mode, is basically, if you know the game super hot, then you probably know what this mode is. And if you don't know this game, then you will see in a minute. So as soon as enemies are here... So far it might not seem as different, except all the sounds are weird, but don't worry too much about that. Also, I have to remove that the number is showing up for a fraction of a frame there every time you pick something up, which is an oversight by me, and I'm very sorry. So, the thing is that currently in the game there is an issue with blood splatters, don't be alarmed. Every time I shoot something, you will probably not notice much blood on the walls, and also there are instead like these blood stripes everywhere. But this is a known feature, not a known feature, it's a known issue or bug from the Unreal Engine, and I have already reported this, and other developers have also reported the same issue, and Epic have already said that they are working on a fix for this. So don't be alarmed if you see this in this video. I hope, you know, the thing is, I could just release this update right now, but I'm really hoping that these fixes are getting these issues are getting fixed within the next time. So holy shit! Now you can see. God damn, I'm screaming. This is way too loud. Fuck you guys! Holy shit! So yeah, you have basically slow motion. And as soon as you start walking in a direction, things start moving, which is really, really awesome, to be honest. And yeah, I've seen like a video from Jacksepticeye a few days ago, which was like a game, Super Truck is the game called, which is basically a mixture of Cluster Truck and Super Hot. And when I saw this, I was like, holy shit, man, this mechanic is so simple. I can just easily do it myself in my own game. So I was like, why not? Fuck it. So yeah, I've added this hot mode which is really, really fun, I must say. And yeah, this will be available for you guys in the next version, in the next update. I don't know when I will release the update, because I'm really hoping that all the issues are fixed. As you can see here, see, there's all these blood stripes instead of real blood things. And also I've added a system that counts basically how many blood splatters are at one place. And if there is well, some limit, like 3 or 5 I guess is the limit right now. If there's more than 3 or 5 of these blood splats at one area, for example this little spot on the ground there, then there will be no more blood added to the blood. So you know, before this could easily break any computer because of you know, it's the more blood there is on the wall or something, the more resources are eaten from the GPU and the graphics and stuff, and the performance is going in the toilet, which is always bad. So yeah, let me just shoot the motherfucker in the face. Fuck you. Oh shit. And yeah, this mode may seem very, very easy at first, but as soon as you see like a bunch of enemies, like this clown for example, oh, holy shit man, this is faceless town here. It can get really, really hard. So, oh shit, ouch. No. Also you take a ton of damage. It's like, I think every enemy has quad damage basically. So yeah, you should be very, very careful when you play this mode. But it's very, I don't know, it's very, very fun, I think. I'm really interested to see what you guys think about this mode. Fuck you! Shoot you in the face! Holy shit man, he has a lot of health. Or maybe I just suck. Maybe a combination of both. Anyway, yeah, so while I play this very cool mode, I wanted to talk about 2 more things. First off, the desert... I almost said the Desert Eagle, but no, it's not a Desert Eagle. It's the Magnum mod, obviously. Yeah, the Magnum mod is getting a nerf, which is not, you know... I don't know, I don't really see it as a nerf, but instead a... you know, a reasonable balance fix. But anyway, oh yeah, there it is. The ammo is now reduced. So you can see I have 75 ammo. Even though I already have like a pistol ammo upgrade installed as a trinket. Because before, yeah, so I don't know how to say this, but before you could easily just remove the negative effects of the trinket by adding other trinkets that, you know, give you a benefit in that direction. For example, the Magnum reduces the maximum ammo and also the ammo you pick up from ammo items, and you could easily just add 2 trinkets to your loadout that removes this effect completely and instead buffs it even, you know. So basically it was just like, yeah, a little bit overpowered I guess. So now it is like the Magnum mod is calculated first, so the negative effects of the Magnum mod are calculated first, and then other mods are applied. So for example, if this Magnum mod reduces my maximum ammo by 50%, then and I get an increase of 50%, then I get a 50% increase of these halved, you know, whatever, you know what I mean. So anyway, oh hello, Mr. Fatty Fat Sack, Fatty Fat, die man! I don't know what I'm saying anymore. Oh shit, ow. So, and the other thing I wanted to talk about is the speed running and the demon chests. So the thing is that I feel that as a developer, I'm kind of like, you know, well, let me say this way. Players are oftentimes trying to get the min-max ratio of playing a game. For example, you're trying to get the maximum of rewards for the minimum amount of effort, which is you know, which is fine, because a lot of games you know, operate on that. For example, I don't know, you know, difficulty and all these things work on that. So basically the least amount of effort that is required will always be chosen because you know, whatever, I don't even know what I'm talking about. Anyway, so what I'm trying to get at is that I understand that people want the maximum stuff and all the rewards and everything, but as a developer, I have to, you know, balance this out. So it's not like I don't want to grant you everything for free, basically. That's what I'm saying. So speedruns, I've known that, or better, I have heard of people who have found, you know, awesome, very fast ways to get like demon chests left and right, which is, you know, which is basically fine, but not in terms of, you know, gameplay balance, because it would just completely eliminate the difficulty of even getting the reward. You know, there should always be a risk and an effort that is bound to a reward to make it, you know, reasonable or something. I don't know. And you know, this is kind of like eliminated by speedrunning strats and stuff. So what I'm doing with the next update is I will add a new chance that... Oh shit. Hello, Mr. Fucking Witch. God damn it. No. Die, Mrs. Witch. Eat shit. Die. Oh shit. Fuck, I underestimated her. Ah, no. Oh well. So yeah, speedruns are getting a nerf. So basically, when you play on arcade mode, arcade style, or hard mode, because it's basically the same, that you can just basically just, you know, instantly activate stuff, which is allowing for the speedrun strats, you only have half of a chance of getting a demon chest. And also, I want to encourage players to play on larger areas, so there's now another chance that demon chests are spawned in a small area. There's only a 25% chance that demon chests, or one demon chest is spawned, and you know, every demon chest has its spawn chance of 25%, but if you play on a huge map, it has a 100% chance, so it's basically like it was before. So it encourages players, you know, there's always risk and reward. If you are saying like, oh man, I just want to play a small map, that's fine, but you know, there's only a smaller chance to get a demon chest in the end. This is, by the way, for people who have no idea, this is only if you play on unearthly or beast mode, so you don't have to worry about demon chests and stuff, everything that I'm talking about right now, if you play on anything lower than that, because it's basically a high tier class reward. And you know, there would be no reason if it would be easy to get them, so then it wouldn't be a high tier reward anymore, I guess. Anyway, I have no idea what I'm talking about anymore. Let's play another game, I guess. And I wanted to talk about something else, if I could remember. So I talked about the Magnum mod, which is getting a nerf. Then the demon chest speedruns, you know, even though I really like seeing like new strategies and stuff evolve, you know, come on, I have to, you know, put a stop to that. And yeah, so arcade mode has halved the chance of getting stuff, and then the area size also limits the amount of chests you get. Oh yeah, by the way, that was the other thing I wanted to talk about. I have, or I will add, it's not in there yet, but it's very, very easy. I will add a chance to demon chests to, you know, right now there's a fixed chance of you getting a high class, or high level, I should say, of a trinket, and I want to add a system that the more low rank trinkets you get, the higher is the chance that you get a high rank trinket. So, for example, I've heard of Nihilanth, was it, I guess, who had like this, or was it someone else? I'm sorry if I get you confused. But someone played and got like 100 demon chests in speedruns and stuff, and then opened them all, and there was almost like no reward in it, and it was kind of like, you know, heartbreaking and stuff. So I want to encourage, not encourage, I want to reinforce, or whatever, I don't know even what to say. I want to, you know, add a system that makes it, you know, more reasonable, so it's not only luck. It doesn't only come down to luck. So if you have a high enough number of chests, then you're basically guaranteed one good item out of that. So there's no, you know, no heartbreaking anymore. Anyway, so let me shoot someone in the face anymore. I have a feeling that in this slow motion, the motion blur is getting somewhat increased, but I have no idea why. Oh, holy shit, there's already a fucking witch. But I have no idea what to do about that, because it's basically... Holy shit. It's basically just a, you know, usual Unreal Engine function that I'm using, so I don't know if I can do anything about that. But, yeah. Was that everything I wanted to talk about? Oh yeah, someone asked, or multiple people, I guess, asked if they would be allowed to have demon chests to... No, rank 3 trinkets to make them upgradable by normal means, like any other trinket. And I don't think that's a good idea, because I want a rank 3 trinket to be, you know, something really special, and really a you know, basically a high class or high ranked tier of rewards. And if I would give you the possibility that you could just upgrade your trinket to be ranked level 7, it would kind of remove that, and you know, I don't want to do that. And yeah, also, you know, you have a goal, I guess. You know, if you have a goal, like, for example, you want a level 7 Magnum mod or something, then it gives you something to strive for. Because in a lot of games, you know, I've noticed that as soon as you get what you really want, then many players just stop playing it. So they're like, yeah, I'm the most powerful guy in the world. Yeah, so what other games are out there? And, you know, I want to have you... I want it to be a little bit more difficult to get. It's, you know, a longer way to achieve it. Because I thought, like, with the other trinkets, it's rather easy to get them on a high level. And yeah, that's basically my reasoning. I want to have, you know, a higher reward that you have, that you are more satisfied to get. Satisfied to get? Oh shit, I can't talk anymore. That's basically my sign that I should probably stop the video. What? Die! Holy shit. This is really fun. I'm really excited to see how you guys, what you guys feel about this mode, and hopefully not how you are able to break it within like minutes after release or something like that. I don't know. Even though, you know, it's fun. I don't know. It's an early access title. We're all out here to make mistakes, or to, you know, experiment, I guess. This new update, I don't know. Hopefully all these issues are getting fixed. For example, these blood things and stuff. But and also the input things that don't really work right now. But I don't know. It's a, I don't know. I don't want to say unstable release, because it runs fine, just like before. It should even run much better, because the Unreal Engine, it's now on the game now runs on the latest Unreal Engine version. So there are a lot of performance improvements in the engine now. Hopefully you can see that. I don't know. Would make it worth it, I guess. But yeah, I don't want to, you know, I want to harp on a lower or a outdated version for too long, because, you know, there might be some version coming out at some point which has like the most amazing feature ever, and then I'm like, oh shit, I have to upgrade like 5 versions now, so that would be kind of bad. Anyway, I have no idea if I'm making any kind of sense anymore, so I will probably end the video. Die, Mr. Clown! But yeah, this mode is really, really fun, and I like it, and hopefully you like it too. And you can tell me your feedback about this as soon as I release it. Hopefully I can release it, I don't know, maybe tomorrow or in a few days or something. Hopefully they release a fix for all these issues I'm having right now. But if not, I would, even though I will still release it, because, you know, I don't think it's a major game breaker. So I don't want to hold off on this new version for too long, because I feel like I'm already holding off. Is that the right word? Hold off on something? Anyway, I think I'm delaying, or you could say I'm delaying the update long enough for now, so hopefully we can all have a great time with the next update. You know, I'm done. My brain is just done with working, so die. So I will quit this video. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.